Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for the ultimate comfort chicken soup. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So let's get into this. Take a heavy base saucepan, pop it onto a medium heat and put in some skimmed milk. To that then we're going to add a boneless and skinless chicken breast. And we'll just cook that for about 15 minutes until the chicken's fully cooked through. Once the chicken's cooked, we'll remove it from the milk and we'll pop it onto a plate for later. Now we're going to continue making our soup. So we add in some chicken stock. And now our vegetables. So we have some chopped celery. Some chopped mushrooms. And now the simple part, just frozen mixed vegetables. I've used peas, carrots and sweetcorn, but you can use whatever vegetables you prefer. Give that a quick stir around, bring it to the boil, turn it down and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Now that our vegetables are softened, we're going to add our chicken. So we've taken the chicken and we've used 2 forks or a knife and we've just shredded it into bits. Add it back to the soup. And then the last of our ingredients. So we're going to add some cubed potatoes. Then some dried thyme. And about 10 cracks of freshly crushed black pepper. Give that a stir around and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are cooked. Once all our vegetables are softened, we're going to thicken the soup with a cornflour slurry. So just take your corn flour, mix it with some water, pop it into the soup. As you add it to the soup, make sure you whisk it because you don't want bits of the soup going lumpy. Now that our soup is thickened, we're going to pop it to the side just on a low heat for a couple of minutes while we make our bacon lardons. So to make the bacon lardons, we just have some diced bacon, put it onto a dry pan. Don't be using any oil, it goes crispier if you don't use oil, and we'll cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, the bacon's crispy, charred, and it's smoky bacon. It gives it a really nice flavour. So now our ultimate chicken soup is ready to serve. As you can see, there's plenty of vegetables, plenty of chicken. As I said, the ultimate comfort chicken soup. And of course, that little bit extra on top is the addition of the bacon lardons. Now folks, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.